Fully insulated beverage cooler keeps drinks cold the entire game or event. Flip cap snaps closed securely and folds out of the way during use. Wide opening allows for chugging or fast flow pouring. Easy grip lid design for effortless opening and closing. Top reviews from the United States. I flippin' love this thing. This jug is da bomb. It keeps my ice cold literally all day, doesn't leak, and has a good handle. Even the lid screws on perfectly. Sometimes ya get a thermos that the lid hole for drinking ends up screwing on crooked when you tighten it all the way. This one doesn't do that. I've used it for a year, and it's still performing like a champ. In case you might be sitting on the fence on deciding on this purchase, I hope this review helps.